Welded structures often require the creation of many components, and this creates a large amount of work in trimming individual members back so they fit correctly. The SOLIDWORKS Weldments tools help you reduce the time it takes to create those welded frames. You can choose from hundreds of section profiles based on international standards, or you can create your own bespoke profiles. Simply select a profile and size, and SOLIDWORKS will populate the selected line with the appropriate geometry. Once the frame is created, SOLIDWORKS will also attempt to trim each member based on your corner treatment selection. Weld gaps can also be added to any joint. If individual corners need to be set, the pink dot can be selected and end treatment and weld gaps can be controlled. Different sized members are required for the frame bracing, and the same steps can be taken to quickly generate the rest of the structure. As we created the structure with different member profiles, manual trimming is needed to cut back each member to the appropriate length. Weld gaps can be added at this stage, as well as being able to notch out exact profiles as a coped cut. Standard cuts, extrusions and holes can be populated in weldment frames as they can in any other SOLIDWORKS model. Weldments is not only a great way of quickly creating welded geometry, but it also automatically produces a cut list, showing member lengths, description, quantity and total material length required. Being able to modify your design is important, and you can change the section profile type, corner treatment, weld gap or angle of a weldment feature in the same way as you would any other SOLIDWORKS feature. Because these changes can be made easily, decisions can be made about the size of the structure much faster. SOLIDWORKS Weldments use multiple bodies in a part file to enable quick creation and editing of the welded structure. For more information on SOLIDWORKS Weldments and the range of other tools available inside of SOLIDWORKS, make sure to get in touch.